Hello and welcome to City College Peterborough and the study programme. This is Support Educate Autism, or S.E.A. We currently offer our S.E.A. programme out of our Brook Street campus. S.E.A. is a programme ideal for taking that step away from school to college without the pressure of completing a qualification or having exams. If you feel you are unable to progress into a vocational course straight away, then S.E.A. could be the answer. This course will promote independence and could help you improve in areas such as cooking, gardening and budgeting money. You will work towards gaining skills such as looking after the home, looking after yourself and being sociable. Our sessions will cover such topics as finding support, coping in different new situations, emotion regulation, stress management, well-being and mental health, and the importance of taking care of yourself. You learn lots of skills you will be able to use in your life, such as interview prep, goal setting, and CV workshops, which will help you choose your next course. We will also support you in maths, English and ICT, as well as working with others. If you would like to join us here at City College Peterborough, please complete the application form. The team here at City College Peterborough is ready to welcome you and look forward to seeing you soon.